In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a to-do list in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned productivity pro or just getting started, learning to create streamlined to-do lists in Notion can enhance your organization significantly. So, let's dive in. First, we'll start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Notion's website at notion.com. Familiar with Notion, it's a powerful tool that combines note-taking, task management, and organization all in one place. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in to your existing account. If you haven't yet joined the Notion community, don't worry. You can easily create a new account by following the on-screen prompts, which typically involve entering an email address and setting a password. Signing up is quick, and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your workspace. This is your personal hub where you can organize pages and notes exactly how you like. To create a new to-do list here is incredibly simple. You just type in a / followed by to do and then hit enter. This command works like magic in Notion and will insert a new checkbox right into your page. The checkbox is the foundation of your to-do list and is ready for you to enter your first task. After the checkbox has appeared, you can go ahead and type in your first task. This could be anything you need to remember. Maybe it's grocery shopping, sending that important email, or setting up a meeting. The great part about Notion is its flexibility and how it allows you to manage your tasks in a straightforward manner. Once you've entered your initial task, you can simply press enter again to move on to your next task. Each time you press enter, a new checkbox will appear, neatly stacking under the previous task. In this way, you can quickly populate your to-do list with everything you need to get done. This seamless and intuitive process means you can focus more on completing your tasks rather than being bogged down by creating the list itself. And there you have it. Creating a to-do list in Notion is that simple. One of the best things about using Notion is how you can adapt it to suit your work style. Maybe you'd like to add more details or due dates, or perhaps you prefer a simple minimalist list. Notion provides you with that flexibility, all while keeping everything organized within your workspace. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how to make a to-do list in Notion. I hope this guide was helpful and inspires you to dive deeper into Notion's capabilities for organizing your tasks and projects. Happy planning, and see you next time.